In the vast expanse of the open ocean, where the elements reign supreme, ships find themselves locked in an awe-inspiring struggle for survival. Unleashing its immense power, the sea summons towering waves and howling winds to challenge the very fabric of human engineering. Join us on a gripping journey as we witness the monumental battle between these mighty vessels and the unforgiving forces of nature. Number 1. Amidst the vastness of the open ocean, these massive container ships become a mere dot, dwarfed by the towering giants looming before them. The waves, propelled by fierce winds, rear their heads with intimidating magnitude, ready to strike with relentless fury. As if to taunt the ship's challenge, the winds unleash their wrath, their eerie howls echoing through the ship's towering structures. Number 2. As the storm unleashes its full fury, the Antarctica Sea becomes a churning cauldron of towering waves, crashing against the vessel's sturdy hull. Each colossal swell tests this warship's stability as it rides the crests and descends into the troughs, engaged in a mesmerizing dance with the elements. Number 3. With unwavering determination, these ships navigate the stormy seas, pitching and rolling with amazing grace for their colossal size. Their steel hulls slice through the crests of the waves, sending cascades of foam crashing against their sides. Ships, a symbol of human ingenuity, become one with the rhythm of the ocean, embracing every rise and fall, its resilience tested to the extreme. Number 4. In the vast expanse of the open ocean, where calm waters can quickly turn into a tumultuous battlefield, these ships find themselves caught in the clutches of a mighty storm. As the sky darkens and the wind howls with fury, the ships become lone warriors, ready to challenge the forces of nature. Suddenly, as if summoned by nature's fury, a colossal wave rears up, crashing against the dock's protective barriers within your shattering force. The scene erupts into chaos as the water breaches the defenses, surging over the edge like an unstoppable force of nature. Number 5. During a tempestuous storm, the mighty waves surge towards the ship, resembling colossal titans fiercely colliding with its sterns and bows. The impact unleashes torrents of spray and foam, soaring skyward in an awe-inspiring display. The reverberating roar of the sea resonates through the vessel, an undeniable testament to the boundless power harnessed by nature. Despite the ship being caught in this tumultuous dance of waves, it remains resolute, swaying perilously amidst the tempest, as water splashes and cascades over its steadfast frame. The ship's fortified structure, meticulously designed to endure the onslaught of the elements, holds steadfast a testament to human ingenuity and determination. As we conclude this chapter of our YouTube channel, we invite you to continue exploring the awe-inspiring stories of ships and storms, to reflect upon the harmony and conflict that coexist on the high seas. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating adventure. Subscribe to our channel as we continue to unravel the mysteries that our world has to offer. See you!